Hey people of the internet, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be unboxing a 2019 MacBook Air 13-inch. Sadly this isn't going to be my laptop, but it is going to be my mum's new laptop to replace her 2012 iMac. Still, I took the opportunity to give you guys some content on this channel as I have been slacking a little bit. The packaging on the Apple products is always nice, and it's no exception on this one here. This laptop is a 1.6 GHz dual-core i5. We would love Apple to give us a quad-core, but seeing as this laptop is only going to be used for conference calls, this laptop's only really going to be used for scrolling through the internet with a few conference calls and maybe a bit of Keynote and Pages in the future, it's more than capable. I forgot to mention this laptop also has 16 GB of RAM, so it's not a slow machine. In the box here, you're seeing a nice, thick, rubberized USB-C cable. The Apple documentation, as always. I didn't check if there's any stickers. And the USB-C wall socket here is a UK version, because I am obviously in the UK. The weird wax papery stuff on both of the pieces for this USB-C adapter for the wall were a bit awful. The paper was weird, but this laptop won't be editing photos or videos, so there was no need to go for a MacBook Pro to get anything better than the Intel UHD 617 GPU that you have in this one. Over the past few days I've used this laptop a bit to see what it's like, and I like it. The True Tone screen is very nice. My laptop is still a 2013 MacBook Air, so the screen's better on the 2019 version. I also noticed the keyboard to be very different from anything I'm used to, because I'm used to a mechanical keyboard on my PC and then a 2013 MacBook Air, the old Apple keyboard. When you open up the laptop, it automatically senses that there's light, so it will turn the screen on for you, and then you set up the laptop as you normally would. Final thoughts, I'd say the keyboard is very different to what I'm personally used to, but if you are currently using a newer Apple laptop, then you're probably used to it. I'd recommend this laptop to someone who isn't doing GPU intensive stuff like lots of photo editing, video editing, maybe massive spreadsheets, but I'm not a spreadsheet dude, so I don't really know about the spreadsheet type things. I'd also recommend this laptop to someone who wants to either join or stay in the Apple ecosystem. And with that, I'll leave you to scroll the internet. Give my previous video a watch with the card at the end of this video. And if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the like button and tell me why in the comments below. And I hope to see you in another video. Peace.